Hello everyone. Just realised while I was editing this, that I filmed it long ways instead of sideways. But the next video I will for sure make sure that I film long ways or sideways, whatever you want to call it. So the video is a bit more better and it doesn't look funny on whatever you're watching it on. But yeah, hope you enjoy my wee video here. So we are on our way to meet Jordy, my friend. Currently has the E36 4-door that he's building into a drift car. We're going to work on it today, and I'm going to record shit and see what happens. But first, I got coffee. I shouldn't have said shit, but anyway, yeah, get coffee first and then we meet him. So if you know, you know. Coffee got Cafe O, as I said, one of the best, not the best, but one of the best. One. Yeah. I need the rest of this before I talk anymore. But yeah, coffee acquired. Now to go meet Jordy, get down the shade and start. I'll leave it till we get there. Fuel is acquired. So it is. Now we wait for Jordy because he's only out of his bed at 10 past or 11 past. You'd swear until in bed. But yeah, Jordy's only out of his bed at 3 minutes past 11. And I have to wait for him. But it's all good because got the coffee. Sit here and wait for him now. Look, he finally decided to show up. I didn't wake up, I fell asleep. What time's it now? 11? Ah. Right. So Jordy, finally here at 20. Time. Come on, show it. Here, you look. Right there, what? 25 minutes now? And he's finally here. Now time to go down. Maybe do a time lapse now even. Right, so we have arrived. So we have. Can't really show you that yet, but yeah, we've arrived. Jordy shed. Place is a bit of a tip, so we are cleaning up, and then we're going to get to work with stuff. Isn't that right, boy? But yeah, time for some brushing and stuff like that. We'll have spent the past half an hour, just tidying the place up a wee bit. It's just wild dusty, need a lot of shit taken out, a lot of wood and stuff like that sitting about. Now at the moment we're going to measure the bench and we're going to see if we could put it in there and around that lines, yeah. But yeah, see what the heck happens. So we have everything in, as you can sort of see. With Jordy's compressor in, all our stuff working now. Got this big table by Father who owns this whole unit stuff. Jordy owns it, but you know, that's not the place it's renting out from. But she is a wee bit too sharp So I'm gonna cut it down and out of the way, just so you know when we're walking past the ramp and the car, we don't stab ourselves in some sort of way. Now remember, safety squint always. But I forgot to show the end result of this here, so yeah, you get the gist of it. But yeah. Right, we're testing out the mics. See what is happening. Jordy, speak.
Breaker 19, come on back, rubber duck. No, can you hear me now? What?
I don't know, it should hopefully work.
What? Can you hear me?
Start talking into the mic.
Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, rubber duck. Honey, no, yes. Can you not hear me with the wind? Can you hear me?
He's a tool.
With the wind. Can you hear me now? How about that there, boy?
Right, so what have you... No, what? Explain.
What do you mean explain?
The whole yoke.
I don't like doing this at work.
Explain the whole yoke.
Right.
What is she and what
I'm nervous.
First time for everything, hey?
What?
It's the first time for everything. Plus we have the mics on as well, so it makes it funnier.
Can you hear me though?
Oh yeah. Yeah. You going like that is fucking about. Just leave it.
What am I doing?
So just explain.
Drift car.
Yeah.
We're hopefully going to cut the boot floor out.
Right. So far, what we have done is took the subframe out, took the fuel tank out.
It's over there.
Subframe sitting over there. Tank sitting over there for the time being. We're going to
cut the boot floor out.
Cut the floor out.
Because last drift day, the wheel come off and I had to jack the boot floor up in order to get the car jacked up in the diff.
The whole thing got sort of crushed. So where that line is, we're cutting around.
Hopefully it goes well.
And put basically a flat floor on it.
Oh, I might leave it Flintstone for now.
Oh yeah.
See how we go.
And then we're poly bushing the subframe, yeah.
I will strip it first.
And stuff like that.
And then there's reinforcement plates we got for the floor. So we need to prep the floor of the car.
So hopefully get that done as well.
Prep the floor of the car and then find a weld there because we can't weld.
Yeah,
yet.
True. We can't weld yet. So that's hopefully to get done. I
might take these lights out as well, so
yeah.
I just feel like stripping. I just feel like stripping parts off this thing.
Yeah.
But this here was this loom I've now tucked into the car was over that side. So it's just been working my way from one side to the other to strip it out so that things don't catch fire and cut through wires. It's important.
Yeah. So we're gonna cut that today and then
strip that. Hopefully clean the floor of the car. We'll see how we get on.
Stuff like that. Yeah. So we'll get boogieing into this, I think. Oh. There's a quad driving past.
Sound like one of your farts.
Throughout this clip here, my mic turned off, but Jordy's is still on. But basically, we're watching a video here of a fella that has done what we're looking to do to Jordy's E36, just to see where to cut and get a bit of inspiration of it in that sense.
Alright, this is precise precision here.
I was going to say, precise precision. On the last clip, you might have seen Jordy's mic only working. Turns out mine was off. Now his is off, so you can't hear him. But I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep on doing the mics. Maybe take them off. Hopefully you can hear me with the mic on. Jordy at the moment is cutting away.
Sure is.
But while he's cutting away, you keep on cutting, it's okay. I'm gonna Damn, that is loud. But yes, I'm going to cut away that subframe and take stuff apart. So hopefully get that done while he's doing that. And yeah, maybe do some YouTube magic. We click, maybe. Do the wee. Right, we're at the final bit of the.
Make sure you do mine too.
Don't worry, I'll record it for you too. The final bit of taking the thing out. I haven't touched the damn subframe yet, but I soon will be. But yeah, continue on, boy. Yeah. Big time. Look at that. Into the boot. Yupa. I did keep this wee bit, so we keep the bumper on. So, you know, have to look stylish while we're at it.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Anyway.
We're talking to each other or talking to that?
We're talking that.
Ah, okay. You
Yeah.
could have like
Bit of both.
Okay.
We're right. Where we're at now. That has been cut, and Jordy has been away taking all the brake lines and stuff out because he doesn't want that sort of stuff in it.
They were pretty executed by the last person, so they were doing my pedal.
I don't know the change.
OCD.
But he's ground it down, made it all smooth, stuff like that.
Clean the floor.
Clean floor it here now soon. I've been working away trying to get down rear suspension apart. I have a diff out so far, and I have a good couple of bolts and stuff out. Currently eating my concoction of Biscoff. What's all in it? So Greek yogurt, oats, Biscoff, strawberries, and raspberries. Jordy had his as well. So I'm a good little boy. I'll not say that, but yeah. We're also thinking summertime right now. Whenever wintertime comes back, sled. What do you think?
What's up?
Use the boot. Sled for winter.
Oh, we don't need winter. I know of a hill we could use it.
Well, yeah.
We could go right now. It might take us half an hour to get there, like, but we could go right now if you really want to.
Well, yeah.
And another thing. At the bottom of the hill, it's a sea, so it's a soft landing.
Unless you go head first, like.
Unless you go through you need to get enough speed to get through the railing first, and if you get through the railing, then you've a soft landing.
Ah, well, yeah, fair.
So, but
Yeah. Don't think we'd do that yet. But yeah. Oh, a bit of golden art. Jesus, I can't see though. But yeah. I think I'm gonna finish off the rest of this. And what are you doing now then?
Sorry?
What are you doing now?
Oh, mate.
What? What did you forget?
I just flicked off my TikTok.
Jordy's currently in the middle of making TikToks, and this is the second time.
We're okay, we're mad, we're
Oh,
okay,
he
we're
saved
fine.
It. He saved it.
Go back.
But the first time he was in the middle of one, and he messed it up.
What am I doing?
What are you doing next?
I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna try and clean the floor, like wire the floor a wee bit.
Well, like all this.
Like, yeah, like just where you're standing now, maybe here as well. See how it comes up. Do this wee bit maybe as well first, and
Yeah.
then work my way down, and then maybe even help you with this if you're.
Yeah,
whatever
right.
you're doing.
A couple of the bolts are slightly seized, so I need to do it as well. But we're getting through. we're getting through it. Hopefully. What time is it now?
20 past 2. No, sorry, 20 past 4.
That's 4. So.
Oh, for me.
Yeah, hopefully get this done quite soon and go home and go bed because I've got work in the morning, unfortunately. Because it is Sunday. Might post this on Tuesday, maybe? Don't know. We'll see what happens. We're back. Jordy is long at it. He has worked away. He has got a good bit of it done. Finding more and more rust, as you can see. This is also snapped. So it has from taking the subframe out because it was quite ignorant. The usual spots, you know. It's actually not too bad though. Not that worse. It's not the worst, like.
No, it's not that worse. Like,
But,
I'm sure it broke because of the
I see.
wheels coming off and
Well, yeah. I mean, you may explain that.
well, so I bought spare set of wheels for drifting for the back, like E36s.
Yeah.
And then the second drift day, it came off, broke wheel bolts.
Yeah.
And I was able to get it back on and fix it at the track, so then I went back out.
Oh, yeah.
And then the third time, it done the exact same thing. So, and then that time,
But you rubbed through the wheel.
the third time, the wheel come off. The boys at the track, the officials, if you want to call them, didn't allow me to have enough time to go back to the pit to get the jack to come back, to jack the car up, to put the wheel back on. They just drug it off with a disco or something. And then you must show them whatever side it is. I think it's the side over there. It's
Well,
like shaved.
got the subframe apart.
It shaved the bottom half of the hub off.
I think it's.
Yeah, there you go.
well, yeah.
That's now flat and it just fell out.
Yeah, well, that,
So they drug it off the track and then that's what happened. So
that arm be saved or?
the arm
Oh,
could be saved, but I think
Yeah.
I'm just going to put new arms in it.
I don't know.
So that's what happened with that, and the car sat for a year because I couldn't.
Yeah, it's not so good, like.
The car sat for a bit, and then that's what happened with that. So we're finally at this point to get this fixed.
Yeah.
But what I realised is with the wheels that I got, while I kept falling off,
Yeah.
the centre bore was a
Was-
lot bigger than what the hub size is, which I didn't realise, even though they're BM wheels. I
And
didn't realise that there were different centre bores. So it was like
and then-
the bolt was taking the weight of the tyre and holding it to the car, instead of the hub taking the weight of the wheel and the bolt holding it to the car. So the bolts were doing a lot of work. Hence why I kept falling off.
But yeah,
Now I know.
we have disassembled. Well, I have disassembled. So the subframe rear end that is getting replaced. We have new ones. Some more so do.
Where am I going to put this? That's fire.
Just leave it there. So we're
How can I stand up though?
taking the buses.
Close to the wood or something so I can stand up.
I'm trying to say, we are taking the bushes out because Jordy wants to poly bush it. So we're going to do that now. I think he's somewhat finished of dealing.
Well, not finished, but
Wow.
somewhat getting started, as you can see. I'm dirty.
That's that somewhat done for the time being. He's more excited to do bushes, burning out the bushes a bit more. So yeah, we're going to do that.
Would you say to do this?
So I've watched videos of it, seen an easier way of taking it out rather than burning them out. Boy just heats up all around it until it starts bubbling, and then you hammer it out and it should just pop out. You wanna
Test that theory now.
test that theory now, hopefully. Well, we move over here. It's more lighting, While he does that, I'll go get the hammer, and I got chisels with me. So hopefully we'll get that somewhat done. I don't know where I put the hammer. There it is. Want to hopefully get these out. He still needs to order potty brushes, but as long as it's out for the meantime. Yeah. So we'll see what happens here. Use a ball then, maybe.
You're going to need to stand on a horse or something.
Yeah. I was right. I didn't get to film it, but she came out nice and clean. So just do, well, 4 more?
3 more? Well,
5 more? If you're doing the diff.
If you're doing the diff, you might as well do the diff, wouldn't you?
Yeah. I think a bit more heat might do it. As you see, Jordy's heat is a bit more better than mine. Typical snap on, you know.
20 quid, Amazon horse.
Yeah. Whereas mine was, I'm gonna say the guts worth of £80.
Maybe 100.
Yeah. Aye, plus the VAT. We may as well be burning them out now. Oh, there we go. Hold on. Use the ball end. There you go.
Can't see football.
Yes. I'll use it.
It's on the wood, that's the problem.
Alright.
Need to move the...
Shut.
I don't know.
I don't know. There's grease everywhere though. Oh, just... There you go.
Meant.
Smoke. Or we would smoked out. Don't think I don't think taking it inside is a good idea. I don't think the inside was taking it inside was a good idea.
Aye, let the wind take it away over.
Aye, what would the heavier better think doing it here? Inside. Thing close shit. Oh, I'm covered in grease. Tiniest wee bit like. Yeah. Breathe in a bit of fresh air and then get back at it.
Do you want to do the other period here?
Yeah, I think so.
So we're not gassing ourselves out.
Gas chambered. Covered in grease because, you know, drive shafts. I think might have slightly blown up. The last thing. But yeah, we're getting at it. Time to do nurses. So we moved out outside because don't really want gas chambered again. We're smoked out. We'll set up more PG. Joe getting at it. Get back to it.
Later.
I want to put up a wee bit more fight, right? But
Yeah, 3 of them came out, no bother. But the very last one, it's always the last one, gives bother. We are coming to the end. probably look like a mess and I'm all dirty probably too. But everything is out. We're going to leave it for now. We're going to clean it up next time we're up. But I think now we're going to do a wee clean up. You know, all this, put all that away, put some sort of tools away, stuff like that. And I think we're going to take the hubs over there and start stripping everything. We don't have a socket for the drive shafts, so we're going to disassemble everything else around it on both of them. And then I think we're going to call it quits afterwards, so we are. Go home. Yeah, it's not here. So I forgot to do it. But yeah, everything's here. We took one of the hubs and we're gonna strip it down like what we were saying. So we are, because it's I don't think it's I don't think it's supposed to look like that. Yeah.
But Jesus.
Yeah.
Can I say that? Can I?
Yeah. But we.
You remember I'm on YouTube now? YouTube famous man.
Anyway.
Oh
Yeah. We're tired.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. But we don't have anything to take the shaft out.
Did you like his shaft, did you?
But
Did you bring extensions?
we're going to take everything else. Yeah.
Half inches extensions?
Yeah, show me inside.
Where?
Or there's probably scattered.
Should have been half inch or should
Yeah, they're half inch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, might.
Well, yeah, we taking everything apart other than the drive shaft.
They're gonna go very good or very bad here. Like. Yeah, I'm good.
Probably because you didn't tighten up from last time.
I didn't put them on, so don't slap at me.
I got us done. Took it apart as much as we could. We don't have long Allen keys for the carrier for the other caliber because we have forgotten them. So I guess us done for now, Jordy.
Sir, I think we've done pretty well early.
Yeah. Get it done and dusted out of the way. So.
Maybe, I don't know, maybe not tomorrow night. Don't know, hopefully next week again.
Yeah.
We'll come back up and get a bit more done. And then
Done dusted.
we're closer to going to the track again, right? So, yeah.
So yeah, that's us done for now. Come back up some point during the week, maybe the next weekend, and do a lot more. Hopefully get the poly bushes in, if Jordy has ordered them. Have you ordered the poly bushes yet?
Huh?
Have you ordered the poly bushes yet?
No, because I don't know what ones I want.
Right. But
And yeah, I don't know what ones I want.
we could do more work
Because
on.
I was looking at poly or Powerflex. But they're like,
Yeah.
you don't really know what you're getting. You says you're getting a kit, but you don't really know what you're getting. I don't want everything at the minute.
No.
I'll leave the front until I'm doing the engine.
You used to have them there.
Well, that's right. I don't know what ones I want, basically. Because there's all sorts of different ones.
But yeah, I think next time we're up, we'll do something like that. Or
Hopefully you can find someone that can weld as well. Cause
yeah,
we weld it.
need to weld the brackets in it, do that. But other than that, I think that's done for today. So goodbye.
Yeah.
Please all enjoy. As they all say, like, comment, subscribe. But yeah. Oh, see you later.